Alright guys, so back with an install video with my boy Marco again.
What's up?
Thug life. He's like a usual customer at the crib, always here,
Yeah.
always doing stuff to the car.
This is called Texas Drill Massacre. No chainsaw.
Don't mess with him.
I'll put this in your forehead so you can look at these up close.
So look at that. So basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna do some drilling to the car again. This is the quick release bumper. So it's gonna look really nice. And shout out to Sickspeed. They're the ones that got where Marco got his quick release bumper parts from. So basically, got the drill holes here and here, and then you're gonna attach this from the inside with these sticking out, and then these rubber band looking thing is what holds it on. So basically what we're doing right now is we're just prepping the car to drill it. So we're trying to see the mark it with little holes with a marker, little dots, and then you're just gonna connect that together. That's what we did earlier. And then it'll just be kind of like that, and then you kind of stretch it out to how stretchy you want it to be. You kind of want it tight enough that it stays on, but not too tight. At the same time, you don't want it too like loose, so you kind of have it like stretched that it's like almost like a straight line, so that's tight enough.
Y'all tell me, viewers.
It's pretty good.
I'll let you see it from far. Gotta kind of stretch. I like it stretched. I don't want it too loose. You stretch your left hand all the way.
Stretch it to cover the
Yeah,
dot.
right there.
Let's drill.
Let's do this. Fiberglass first. 'Cause I ain't fucking around.